Hello there, friends. Brisky here. What do you do when you have a problem to solve? Let us observe Lula and solve her problems.
Well, I like to sit in a corner and think a lot. What about you? Today, can you come with me to solve my friend Teddy's problem? We would love to have your help too. Welcome to the beautiful woods near the village of Gauripur. Hey, sounds like Teddy is upset. Poor Teddy. Somebody knocked down his house last night. Now he has nowhere to sleep. What can he do? Suddenly, the little sparrow has an idea to solve the problem.
Hey Teddy, you could use some leaves and twigs to build a nest like I do. I'll teach you how.
So, Teddy picks up twigs and leaves and tries to make a nest, just like the sparrows. Teddy is all ready to shift to his new nest. He climbs into it and crash! What's that sound? Oh no! Teddy has fallen off the branch. Looks like the nest wasn't such a good idea. After all, Teddy will have to spend the night outside. What will poor Teddy do now? What do you think Teddy should do? Looks like the spider has a new idea. Hey, you could weave a web like mine. I'll teach you to weave a web. No, that's a bad idea. I don't think it will work. Why do you think Teddy said that it was a bad idea? Did you find out the reasons? There are two reasons. A. Teddy bear cannot weave a web, and a web may not be strong enough to hold Teddy. Looks like the woodpecker's got an idea. Teddy, could you come and live with me in my hole in the tree? Thank you, woodpecker. You are very kind. But I think the hole would be too small for both of us.
I have an idea. You could come and live in the haystack near my house. The farmer doesn't use the haystack anymore. Now that does sound like a good idea.
Ah, Teddy is all ready to sleep in his new house. Let's all wish him good night. Say it with me. Good night, Teddy. Achoo! 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 Someone is sneezing badly. It's Teddy. The hay is making me sneeze. I can't sleep here anymore. The next day, the rabbit has another idea.
Let's all ask the wise old owl for a way to solve this problem. Who do you go to if you need help solving a problem?
I go to my parents or my teachers if I need help solving a problem. Teddy explains all his problems to the owl. The owl listens carefully.
I have the perfect place for Teddy.
Oh, looks like Teddy's problems are finally over. But looks like the owl has something more to say.
Teddy, you need solve a riddle to find out about the new place.
Here is the riddle that the owl wants Teddy to solve. Pair up with a friend and solve the riddle. Assume that A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, and C is equal to 3, and so on till Z is equal to 26. Use this key to find out what this statement means. Teddy can live in the 3, 1, 22, 5 near the 18, 9, 22, 5, 18. Have you solved the riddle? Let us see if Teddy did. We solved the riddle. It says, Teddy can live in the cave near the river. Yay!
Thanked the wise old owl. Teddy was off to find his new house. Teddy's new house is strong and big enough for him to live in happily. Thank you for helping me solve Teddy's problem. Did you see how you have to really think hard to come up with good solutions to a problem? Next time you face a problem, remember to think hard and maybe ask somebody wise for advice. Goodbye.